Hello parents, this is the first video in a series that I will be making on how to help your students to add and subtract. Now we have been learning lots of different strategies and I will start with the easiest one to add two-digit numbers together. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw place value blocks, which essentially means drawing 10 sticks and 1's cubes to represent 10s and 1s. So our equation that we will be using for all of these tutorials is 23 plus 54. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a 10s and 1s chart. So we have 10s and 1s. Okay, and I always tell them that the number all the way to the right is the 1s place, and the number next to it on the left is the 10s place. And soon we'll be adding three-digit numbers. So then we'll say the number to the left of the tens place is the hundreds place. But for now, we'll just stick with two-digit numbers, tens and ones. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to build the number 23. Now there are 3 ones in 23, so we're going to draw 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. And there are 2 tens in 23, so we're going to draw 2 10 sticks. 1, 2, and the value of each of these 10 sticks is 10 because a 10 stick looks like this, and it is the same exact thing as 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're all just stuck together. Okay? So we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So now we're going to build the number 54. 54 has 4 ones, so we're going to draw 4 ones down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 54 has 5 tens, so we're going to draw 5 10 sticks over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So now what we're going to do is we're going to count them up and see how much we have all together, because that's what you do when you add two numbers together. You just count up everything you have all together. We're going to start with the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10 sticks, which is 70. 7 tens has a value of 70. Plus we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 70, that's our tens, and we have plus 7, that's our ones. So 70 plus 7 is 77. And if your student can't add the two numbers together in their head like that, they can always count. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Okay, so our answer is 77. 7 tens and 7 ones.